Imagine coming home after a long day, opening the kitchen, and realizing dinner isn't just one dish. It's three different things that all need different temperatures, different timing, and somehow still have to land on the table hot at the same moment. Most people end up compromising. Something gets overcooked, something goes cold, and you're left cleaning more pans than you used. That's exactly the kind of everyday frustration the Topzee 11-quart large air fryer is trying to solve, and honestly, that's where it starts to make sense. This is a dual-basket air fryer designed for people who don't just cook for fun, but actually need to get real meals done efficiently. Families, busy professionals, or anyone who meal preps will immediately understand why the flexible design matters. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. What makes the Topzee stand out right away is its flexible structure. At first glance, it looks like a large single air fryer, but inside, it can transform between one full 11-quart cooking space or two separate 5.5-quart baskets. That simple shift changes how you approach cooking entirely. Instead of cooking in batches, you can run two completely different meals at once. Think crispy chicken on one side and roasted vegetables or fries on the other, each with its own timing and temperature. The divider feels sturdy when inserted, and the baskets slide in with a smooth, controlled motion that doesn't feel flimsy or rushed. It has that practical, no-nonsense build quality you want from something you'll be using almost every day. In terms of design, it's not trying to be overly flashy. The matte black finish keeps it neutral, so it blends into most kitchen setups without drawing unnecessary attention. But the real value is in how thoughtfully it's laid out. The controls are straightforward, and once you spend a few minutes with it, it becomes second nature. You're not stuck scrolling through confusing menus or second-guessing settings. Instead, it feels like something built for real-world cooking, not just technical showmanship. When you actually start using it, that's where the experience becomes more interesting. The dual basket system isn't just a feature you show off once. It changes your entire cooking rhythm. On busy evenings, you can sync both baskets so everything cooks together with identical settings, which is perfect for larger meals. On other days, you can split them completely and experiment with different foods at different temperatures. The ability to have everything finish at the same time sounds simple, but in practice, it removes one of the biggest pain points in home cooking: timing everything so it doesn't fall apart before serving. Performance-wise, it heats up quickly and maintains a steady cooking temperature without constant adjustments. That consistency matters more than people realize because it reduces guesswork. You're not constantly opening the basket to check progress, which helps retain heat and improves overall crispiness. Foods like fries, chicken wings, and frozen snacks come out evenly cooked with a texture that feels close to deep frying, but without the heaviness of oil. The airflow design is efficient enough that you don't get those uneven hot spots you sometimes see in cheaper air fryers. Noise levels are relatively controlled, too. It's not silent, but it's also not disruptive. You can easily have a conversation in the kitchen while it runs in the background. Cleanup is another area where it earns points. The non-stick baskets and crisper plates are dishwasher safe, which removes a lot of the after-meal resistance people usually have. Instead of scrubbing trays and dealing with stuck-on grease, you're mostly just rinsing or loading parts into the dishwasher and moving on. Now, to keep things balanced, it's not perfect. The biggest limitation is size. This is not a compact appliance, and it will demand a permanent spot on your counter. If your kitchen is already tight on space, that's something you'll need to seriously consider. Also, if you're cooking for one person most of the time, the full 11-quart capacity might feel unnecessary. In that case, a smaller air fryer might actually be more practical. But for households where multiple meals happen daily, the size becomes an advantage rather than a drawback. Compared to other air fryers in a similar price range, especially single basket models, the Topzee clearly leans into versatility over simplicity. Some competitors might heat slightly faster or take up less space, but they can't match the flexibility of cooking two different meals at once. That's the real trade-off here. You're choosing workflow efficiency over minimal footprint. And for many people, that trade is worth it once they experience it in daily use. What makes this appliance stand out in the long run is not just the features, but how it fits into real life. It reduces the number of steps between deciding what to cook and actually serving it. It simplifies timing, cuts down on cleanup, and helps you bring multiple dishes together without stress. It's not about reinventing cooking. It's about making it less chaotic. If that sounds like the kind of upgrade your kitchen needs, the link is in the description where you can check more details. And if you found this breakdown helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing, because more real-world, no-nonsense kitchen reviews are on the way.